Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be fixing some clutch problems for my 2000 Mazda Miata, and I'm going to show you how. Now if you're having clutch problems like me, check the master cylinder that holds the clutch fluid or any of the clutch lines. But the problem for me is the slave cylinder by the transmission. First thing you're going to do is jack up your car and take off the passenger side front wheel. There you will have access to the slave cylinder. Going to take a 10mm wrench and disconnect the line that goes to the cylinder. After you're done with that, get your ratchet wrench with an extension and a 12mm socket and loosen the top bolt that is holding it in. For the bottom bolt, you will have to go underneath the car. With just the 12mm socket, position the wrench handle up and put your hand through, like this. Take out the old one and put in the new one. I'll have a link to the specific part I used. Hand tighten the bolts back on and unbolt this connector for the lines. I believe it is a 10mm socket. Now that you have that out, it gives you wiggle room to thread in the line without stripping your part or line. You can now fully tighten the cylinder in place. Remember to gently thread it in with your hand. It should go in smoothly with little to no resistance. Now you can use your 10mm wrench to tighten it down. Once that is done, bolt down the bracket that holds the line in place. Now comes the fun part, bleeding. If you have a bleeder, that's great. If you don't have one, you can rent one. I didn't want to be smart, so I just sat in my car for 45 minutes, manually bleeding the clutch. It works, but I don't think it's worth the pain. Once you're done bleeding the clutch, put your wheel back on, lower your car to the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts, and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked. I hope that was informative for all you guys. And be sure to subscribe for more videos.